this thing sign up now. So I go like pause the video, then sign up, then show you guys where or how the TikTok account look like. Show you guys. So now I'm gonna like check the way I go sign up for this in particular TikTok website here. I'll be covering sensitive parts, so when I not thinking another thing I did do. I did sign up, use the Gmail email and everything to sign up. Note, when I no go carry anyhow proceed, use to do all this thing. It's very risky. You are not using any how proceed to do this. That browser I was using. So now let's move to Firefox Focus here. So now let's check on the TikTok. Yeah, so I haven't I think the proceed is down now. So I have to like go get it on before I'll like get to do this. I'm trying to show you. So before I'm doing that now, like I'm going to like try to like explain some kind of things for you guys. So you go to settings in this particular browser. You click here. The settings here is here, this place. So once you click it, you're going to see something like this. Then click on check here. Like try screenshot what is here. So like you set it up on your own browser too. So make it no like get everything twisted. You get. So you try screenshot everything and set it up on your own browser too, like that. You get. Even iOS are these are like something like this you're going to see. You get. So just do the advanced settings too, like this, and go to search, then click on search engine. Use doc go, yeah, doc browser doc go search engine. You get, and turn this off. This particular thing, turn this off, so they'll know like check what you have searched like recently. You get. So now let me fix the proxy server. Then I'll have to like continue to like show you guys how to like get like you guys can open maybe it's USA TikTok account and still stay freely and hold on. So I'll have to like show you guys full video. Maybe I should upload the video next. Let me know like make this video too long. So you guys get to subscribe if you're checking this. If you're just seeing this video or you're just visiting this channel, subscribe. I'll drop in the video tonight and how to like create accounts with Proxy server and set it up on this thing on browsers. You get. So and I'll still be listing more browsers for you guys. Like you guys like need to know and to use for different of like type of your works. You get. So and if to like advise you, if you're like using phone for maybe many like works, you get, you have to like get to like know this. If you just buy a new phone, don't use, if you want to use any apps like of the work or like you, let me just say any platform, any social media platform for your work, you get. So you have to like go use the platform websites using browser and set this up. You get, so that your maybe your IP or any other thing will not like get devastating, or how will I put it, off or crashed or something like that. You get, so your IP will not be take down. Then you're going to like be freely using, even if you are using browser and they get maybe your any of your social media ban, it won't affect like anything your phone or your like anything you are. It's not going to affect your phone. It's just going to affect the browser, and the browser they got shield and everything. So I'll not be doing this video too long. I'll drop the remaining tutorials soon, so just stay tuned.